Okay. Whoops, message. Typical as soon as I start recording. It's from Rebecca. Anyway, I went shopping today and I got myself a new Leatherman. The Leatherman Wingman. And couldn't go past buying this. It was only $25. Retail price on these things is anywhere between, the cheapest I've seen I think is $48, the most expensive up in the high 70s. So $25 is a really good price. And I bought a second one. This is going to be for Rebecca. I'm going to wrap it up and give it to her, and it can be her first unboxing video. 25 bucks. Alright, yep, that's it. Just wanted to give you an update for those who were following. I went to court today, and yes, the charge of being in possession of a Category M weapon. A Category M weapon is a knife that you can open single-handed, which is illegal. Yeah, I beat the charge, no conviction recorded, and yeah, that's Queensland knife laws for you. You cannot carry a folding knife that you can open with one hand. Yet a Leatherman or any sort of multi-tool doesn't come under that classification because it is a multi-tool. This makes it exempt. The same goes for Swiss Army knives. But any sort of folding pocket knife that you can open single-handed is illegal. Go figure. So yes, I beat the charge. I do not have a criminal conviction to my name. I can retain my security license, I can retain my federal security clearance, and I can retain my job even though I don't get many hours at it. Yeah, Leatherman Wingman at Bunnings, $25. Now check with your local Bunnings to see if they have them. This is Bunnings in Australia, obviously. So thanks for watching, guys. See you again soon.